Alright, my people, so where do you want to be now? We kind of do some unit. Yes, we have some unit right now. Then unit have 4 units, 4 identical units. Same tile I use now them. So what I do right now, I'm going to go and touch down on all of them. But instead of make a video on one, you know, as I say, the same tile I use through all of them. So I will go through the 4 of them. As I say, the 4 of them are identical. And at the same tile I use not 4 and I 4 of them. So with the upstairs I'm out. Yeah. So the porch tile already. Everything like that baseboard out, but you can't see. It was a construction site, enough things are going, so up here kind of messy still. So you know it in a not so good state, you know. But yeah. Just a showing all like a part of it same way. Yeah. So as I say, a 4 unit, 4 identical units. So you know, as we go along, I was showing where I'm going in 4 of them. Same tile I use in 4 of them. So we another one here, you know, where we are trying to knock out. Yeah, so as I say, where we find that one here, you know, upstairs. Yeah, we can't get it shown in the bedroom, you know. You just say which part of the house, so that's a kind of black up. You know, them kind of wet out, so you can't walk on them yet. So, we take time of going still. I say we can knock out another area. Yeah, so as we go along, as we say, through the unit, them hiding because it's the same tile. You know, now I'm going to get a rendering from each one of them as we go along. The 2 downstairs one finish already. You know, so we can go through them there when we're done. Yeah. Go upstairs, that's another one. So if you can glimpse around this one, that one in the bedroom. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Eh? No, me have enough. So alright my people, so we kind of close off here, so yeah, some tile run out here, so yeah, so as I say, a 4 apartments, 4 identical apartments, all of them are the same thing, same tile, bathroom, everything. So, never get a chance to show you in the bedroom then. So this is one of the bedroom. Yeah, so this is one of the bedroom. This is a bathroom. Yeah, so this is the next bathroom. This is the next bedroom. So it's a 2-bedroom apartment. So as I say, a 4 apartment. So I have to go across, yes or no. Yeah, I'm going to show you around at the next apartment. Yeah, so this is the next apartment. So as I say, everything identical. Same tile, same type of unit. Yeah. Everything are the same. Yeah, so this is one I bathroom. Yeah, this is a bedroom. Yeah, so as I say, everything are the same thing, same type of apartment them. Yeah, so this is the next bedroom. So all of them are 2-bedroom apartment. Yeah, this is a bathroom. So 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. You know, so that's how the living and dining, kitchen, everything. And everybody have them back porch, same way. Yeah, so this is the back porch, but work are going same way, so everything kind of messy. The style already. Yeah, so, as I say, you know, I go get a clean finish out, so everything kind of messy because work are going same way. So this is the staircase now. So it's that door there. Yeah, so as we said, this side at the next apartment. So the first one we need it. We're going to lay some tile around and so you know. So as we go along, I'm going to show you the 4 apartment and how them set up. Yeah, everything identical. Same tile I use right through. So alright my people, so some growth in a going on the floor, yeah. So as I say, all of them are one thing, so you know, no need to separate them up. So I'm just going to update on the whole of them. Yeah, so yeah. So that side are kind of growth out already. Yeah, so that you want to clean up. So that one we are growth in it, you know. Yeah, so as you can see, plank tile nice and sweet. Yeah, some say that one I want to grow up. Yeah, the next 3. Next downstairs one finish. Next 2 upstairs are work on. Yeah, some growth in a going on that one as me say. So this is how the living area look like. So this clean up for growth. Yeah, then I'm gonna deal with the bedroom them first. So you know, so this is gonna be the kitchen area. So light put up already and everything. Yeah, this is how the ceiling look like. Yeah, nice ceiling fan. so the washroom here. So you know when you watch them video, you know you can get some idea. You know if you build a place, you know it's some little things where you like, you can just fit it in. Yeah, so that is like a little closet, most likely. I believe at the pantry here is supposed to be right there. Yeah, but that's for the washroom. And you know, under the staircase, you can store any little thing. Yeah. Have a little space. You know, this is how it look like already. So you know, you can store your little things them on here, so. Yeah, so I miss some growth and I go on another one, yeah. Yeah, we're going to go and update on everything we're going. Yeah, so the unit then growth up here now. So the stairs do. Yeah, so I'm going to show you what's going up the line there. Yeah, so upstairs are growth up too. As I say, everything are plank tiles straight through. Yeah, one tile was right through all of the unit them. Yeah, so bedroom. So I'm just going to walk through. Yeah, as I say, I just one tile run through the whole place. Yeah, so everything up here so growth up. Bathroom. Window not going yet. So that's how the porch, so this is the front porch. Yeah, so make a like a crossover. So this is the last unit. So that one I go and grow it up. So see mastermind behind the growth in there, I'm going to grow up the place.
See it?
Yeah. So yeah, as I say, place I go and grow up. Yeah, so this is one of the bedroom. So as I said, the window not going yet, you know. Yeah, the window them not come yet, so I have a plastic up here. So grey tile on the wall. Yeah, so it's a 2-bedroom apartment then. Yeah, so this one, yeah, grow up. So I go on and then I've another year and I go and grow up. And so this is when I've left to grow up. So I'm just go and doing thing. Yeah. So the unit then basically finished right now. You know, we just growth in our last thing. Yeah. Now we have one more stairs over there pan. So remember I said 2 staircase. Yeah. So this is the one with the pan right now. Yeah, so knock out the staircase. So the next one finish up. You know, with the pan that one, yeah. Downstairs finish and grow up. So as I say, I just another year and now, but then I'm gonna go and grow it out. Yeah, then once we're good to go. So yes, my people, remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Yeah. So as I said, we're on the last part and now we're doing some grouting. Yeah. So as I say, all of the next 3 units then finish grout up and everything. Yeah, so just the one and now I finish up. I'm not sure where the staircase then done already. Yeah, one of the staircase done. Yeah man, nice blank tile right through the building. Yeah. Yeah, it's a floor nice and sweet. Yeah, so these are the stairs. So when I finish, it no growth as yet. Yeah, so the only thing left for the pan is a growth. Yeah, so nice and sweet up the line there.